Good day and welcome to a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe! Hey and welcome to Weekly Tips. We're gonna put some sense in your tip jar. Welcome today. Today I'm going to be drawing and talking about the helmet. Yeah, so we're drawing the helmet here. I've got a few references with me. We're drawing kind of a World War II kind of a helmet. Looking at kind of German helmets, because yeah, playing through a lot of Wolfenstein games, I see a bit of that, and yeah, that has this kind of look to it, like a kind of similar to like a baseball kind of helmet in a way. This very oval shape. It's got this big round covering and a little kind of covering on the top. So yeah, that's how I approach it. Looking at the side view, drawing the side view, it's kind of easy once you get your head around it. Focus on the big shapes, and yeah, just kind of get along and draw it using your reference. I'm not the most perfect helmet drawer, but learning about these accessories and things that you can add to your characters to really push them and make them feel like they're part of that world per se. If they're part of the World War II kind of thing, you can go into creating helmets for them and those kind of things, what they would look like. And once you do, also you've kind of got your head around angles and things like that. You can fully understand how to draw them at different angles, different scenarios, and it does help. And you can manipulate it from there. Once you've learned how to draw it, you can then go and add something to it. Add crazy kind of like you see on this thing. There's like things on the side. Maybe you could add something extra. Here I'm doing a 3/4 view, so I'm like drawing the insides of it per se, trying to make sense of it all. It's not the most perfect this kind of 3/4 angle view. What I didn't draw was this one here. I didn't draw the middle right hand. Didn't draw that one, but it's there for reference. I could draw it if I needed to. And kind of fill in the blanks if I need to as well. That's the thing. But yeah, once you do understand how to draw it, then you can go ahead and kind of manipulate and change things. You can see me, I'll draw one more pass at it. One more drawing. It's kind of easy, it's a really easy object really to draw. And yeah, just breaking it down into its little parts. It's a shape of a head almost. It's got to fit on a head. So there's that too. Different head shapes and sizes for people and animals. You could have a pig wearing this, or so have lots of fun with that as well if you want to do that. Here you can see me. I show you what shapes that you can make out of it. So you got this shape for the overall head, and then the other kind of shape is for the ending of it, the rest of the drapes of it. I don't know fully what it's called, but that's what I'm going to call it. And once you fully understand that, you can take that knowledge, take those things that you do, and then go ahead and change it a little bit. For instance, move it into a more traditional helmet, or more newer helmet or something like that. I'm going for kind of a biker helmet here. Change it to that. Same for hats. Understand how to draw a hat, how they work and everything like that. And once you got that out of your system, you learnt how to do that, you can then go ahead and kind of change it, add things to it, make it really unique and different. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy learning how to draw hats, helmets, sorry, helmets. And yeah, you take this knowledge that I've kind of shown you, draw your own helmets, draw heaps of characters with helmets on, maybe big or small, play around with what kind of helmets people can wear. Yeah, it's lots of fun. So hopefully, you did enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments if this helped you in any way. I'd really like to know. And keep drawing, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.